Times have changed. As COVID 19 grips the world, we have been thrust into a completely unprecedented scenario. In the last couple of months, India has seen its COVID 19 cases skyrocket at a steep rate. Missing and fractured information, myths and misunderstandings, as well as constant upgradation of existing literature on the disease have created gaps between different stakeholders. This has led to the development of panic induced situations in many countries. Therefore, awareness is required on this topic, and this curriculum will help clarify a lot of our doubts and enable us to become COVID champions in our communities. Let us start with Module 1, Introduction to Coronavirus. This module will introduce you to COVID. What is it? What are some of the news revolving around COVID? Are they true or false? What is COVID 19 or coronavirus? It is a highly contagious respiratory disease which forms a large family of viruses found in both animals and humans. They infect people and cause illnesses ranging from normal cold to severe diseases as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome SARS. COVID 19 stands for CO as in corona, VI as in virus, and 19 as in the year discovered, that is 2019. It affects people of all ages and the majority of cases are mild. Where did it start? COVID 19 is a new strain of coronavirus first found in Wuhan, China in 2019. As you can see in the map, the red area shows how the virus has traveled from one small place called Wuhan to all the countries across the world. Some countries are India, Italy, USA, Australia, Spain, and Europe, where it is affecting a lot. Now let us debunk a few myths together. We must have all heard different stories about COVID 19. Some of them are true, while most are not. Some are just fake news circulated on social media. Let's see what's true and what's not. Let's learn how to not trust and spread fake news on social media, which will lead to unnecessary panicking and havoc. Now let us look at the two articles here that have been spread on social media. The first one on the left, which says, "Steam helped the doctor survive corona immediately." And the second one, "Corona does not survive in hot countries." Both news are false. No vaccine or sure shot cure has been developed for corona yet. Further, COVID virus can stay and thrive in any sort of climate. Our fight is against COVID and not against the COVID patients and health workers treating us. Let us treat our health workers with love and care. They are doing everything possible and putting everything at stake just to take care of you and ensure that you're safe. They are on guard 24/7 to protect us. It is time to show care, that is compassion, assurance, respect, and encouragement. Thank you for listening to this module. In the second module, we will look at how to fight COVID 19 and understand the various symptoms of the virus.